Hi everybody, my name is Denise Yezbak Moore and I'm with howcraftcollection.com. Today I'm going to show you how to create a wire wrap chain. Here are a couple of examples. The beads featured in the back are the new rhinestone pave beads, which can be found on howcraftcollection.com. Using our wire cutters, we're going to cut 2.5 inches of 24 gauge wire. We are then going to take our round nose pliers, move the wire right about to the middle. We're going to bend back, turn the pliers up, move the wire towards us, turn the pliers to the side, move the wire back. We're going to turn it, line it up, make sure that that loop looks good. We're going to grab our chain nose pliers. We're going to wrap 1, 2, 3. We're going to grab our wire cutters. We're going to trim the end of the wire. Going back to the chain nose pliers, we're going to flatten out that loop, straighten it out, and then we're going to string our check glass bead. And then this is what I wanted to show you. When you are getting ready to make your wrap loop, you want the bottom loop to be facing this way. If we turn it this way, the loops are going to be facing different directions. So always make sure your loop is this way. We're going to bend the wire away from us, turn the pliers up, bend the wire towards us, turn the pliers to the side, bend the wire back. We're going to line it up, make sure the loop looks good. We're going to grab our chain nose pliers. We're going to wrap 1, 2, 3. We're going to grab our wire cutters. We're going to trim off that end. We're going to grab the chain nose pliers, straighten out the loop, tuck the ends. Okay, so there we have our first loop. So now we're going to cut another 2.5 inches of 24 gauge wire. Sorry that my round nose pliers keep coming apart. Then we're going to line up our wire, bend the wire backwards, turn the pliers upwards, bend the wire forward, turn the pliers to the side, bend the wire back. We're going to look at it, make a kind of a little indentation there. And we're going to connect the loop. So that's a partial wrapped loop. We're going to get our round nose pliers. And we're going to turn this around. And then we're going to grab our chain nose pliers. And we are going to wrap 1, 2, 3. Wire cutters. We're going to trim off that end. Flip it around, flatten it out, make sure it looks good. Then we're going to string our check glass bead. And then we're going to line it up, make sure it's lined up. And then we're going to bend the wire back, move the pliers upward, bend the wire towards us, move the pliers to the side, bend the wire back, We're going to check out the loop. We're going to grab the chain nose pliers, and we're going to wrap 1, 2, 3. We're going to grab the wire cutters. We're going to trim off that end. We're going to grab the chain nose pliers, straighten out the loop, tuck the wire. Okay, so there we have it. We have the starting of our chain. To finish the chain, you would just continue linking them together. When you get to the end of your desired length, you would form a partial wrap loop and either connect it to the chain or connect the partial wrap loop on each side of the chain to a pendant. And I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you have a great day.